Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to get a Palmpay virtual card for online shopping. Step 1. No upfront. Palmpay doesn't have a virtual card, only a physical debit card. Before we start, I need to correct something a lot of people search for. Palmpay does not offer a virtual card, a Visa, a MasterCard, or a USD card. What they actually have is a physical debit card issued by VA, which launched in 2024 and replaced their old QR card. This card is Naira only, so it works on Nigeria ATMs and on websites that accept Naira, but it will not only work on international sites like AliExpress or Alibaba, since those need a dollar-based virtual card. Step 2. Open the Palmpay app and go to Cards. So right here on your Palmpay app, you click on Cards. Step 3. Apply for the Palmpay debit card. Tap the option right here which says Apply Now. Step 4. Choose delivery or pickup. So right here, you input your phone number, select your state, city, area, then the full address and email. After doing that, you click on Next. Step 5. Activate your card once it arrives. When your physical card gets to you, follow the in-app instruction to activate it. This usually involves entering a code from the card or confirming activation inside the app before you can start using it for local online purchases or ATM withdrawals. And here is a step-by-step guide on how to get a Palmpay virtual card for online shopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.